For anyone who is familiar with birds, you probably realize that this is not a turkey. This is a chicken, but I'm gonna show you a technique to help you make your turkey cook more evenly, to keep it juicy, and to make it go quicker. I'm Mackenzie Lunsford, a former chef turned journalist. Welcome to my Southern kitchen. Today, we're gonna learn how to butterfly a bird. The first thing that you wanna do is cut along both sides of the spine. All you're doing is removing it. It's very easy. Make an incision, a very light incision along the breastbone, just to make it open up a little bit more easily. Turn it around, lay it as flat as you can, and with the heel of your hand, give it a good push. You'll hear some bones crack, that's okay. Oh yeah, that was it. Rub it very generously with salt and pepper. I've put a little bit of dried sage in here and a little bit of onion salt. I'm gonna rub it down, dry brine, which basically means let it release some of its liquid in the refrigerator for about an hour, and also to let the seasoning penetrate. And that's gonna be a nice, crisp skinned, juicy bird. Sign up for the Southern Kitchen newsletter to get more great recipes and hear from me straight in your inbox every week.